Stop spending hours planning meals. I just discovered an iTool that generates personalized diet plans instantly. Here's how creators and freelancers are saving 5 pause hours weekly. Manual meal planning wastes time you could spend growing your business. Diet tools analyze your preferences, calories, and goals instantly. Perfect for creators managing tight schedules. This automation frees up mental energy for what matters most, your work. Step 1. Input your dietary preferences, allergies, and calorie targets. Step 2. Let the AI generate customized weekly meal plans. Step 3. Get shopping list automatically organized by store section. The entire process takes under 2 minutes, saving you endless planning time. Freelancers report staying consistent with nutrition while working irregular hours. Small business owners prep meals efficiently between client calls. One creator saved 12 hours monthly on meal prep planning. Consistent energy equals better productivity for your projects and health goals combined. Top picks: Nutrify AI for beginners, Mealmate Pro for advanced customization, Platique for business scale meal prep. Each offers unique features. Experiment to find your match. I've linked all tools in the description with discount codes exclusive to our community. Found this helpful? Subscribe for more A tool saving creators time. Drop a comment: which A tool will you try first?